Hello, I'm Dr. Radha here. My dear undergraduate medical students, I'm here to discuss conceptual ophthalmology, specifically targeted for new pattern of exam, that is National Exit Test. Regarding myself, I am a postgraduate from PGI Chandigarh. So today I'll be discussing with you a clinical vignette in retina and neuro-ophthalmology. So let us come to the question. A 25-year-old healthy male notices sudden painless decreased vision with central scotoma in his left eye following weightlifting exercise. So what could be the most likely diagnosis? The choices are sickle cell retinopathy, Valsalva retinopathy, Persher retinopathy, Coats disease. So at the outset I would like to let you know the correct answer, which is Valsalva retinopathy. So before coming to Valsalva retinopathy, let's go through the other incorrect choices one by one. The sickle cell retinopathy is seen in the patients with sickle cell anemia. Our patient doesn't have any history of sickle cell anemia. Even in asymptomatic sickle cell trait cases, usually such episodes they happen after severe hypoxic event, which is missing in the case given to us. Again, the sickle cell retinopathy is usually bilateral, whereas our case is reporting a unilateral vision loss. Another choice is of Persher retinopathy. Persher retinopathy develops as a result of severe abdominal or head injury. It can also happen in certain cases suffering from severe acute pancreatitis or collagen vascular diseases. The case given to us does not give such history of trauma or any other systemic illness. The other choice is of Coats disease. However, the age group in our case is different than the usual presentation of Coats disease, which is usually seen in the first decade of life. Another difference is the pattern of the vision loss. Our patient reported sudden onset of the vision loss, whereas in Coats disease, the vision loss is usually gradual and progressive. So coming to the question once again, sudden painless decreased vision in a young patient. So this goes in favor of Valsalva retinopathy, sudden in onset, following an episode of weightlifting. Such kind of incidents can also happen after severe bouts of vomiting or coughing, or even after labor pains. So in all these conditions, Valsalva maneuver happens, and which leads to the Valsalva retinopathy. So I would like to share with you the fundus picture of Valsalva retinopathy. So as you can see, there is a development of a dense retinal hemorrhage in the macular area. This hemorrhage is premacular and it leads to the central scotoma with decreased vision. The hemorrhage occurs because of the rupture of the retinal capillaries, which happens secondary to the increased central venous pressure in Valsalva maneuver. So dear friends, this was regarding the Valsalva retinopathy. So I will be discussing with you many more such clinical vignettes for next exam. Keep coming for more. All the best. God bless you.